Today we'll be in Vero Beach checking out a model in a new gated community where every home comes standard with a 3-car garage and impact windows. You're 5 minutes to all the big box shopping and dining on 20th, 15 minutes to downtown, and less than 20 minutes to the beach. So if you're looking for a new home and want to see what they have to offer, stay until the end and reach out to me directly, and I would be able to help you with this or any other community in our area. So this home is actually the starting size in the community and is going to give you just over 2,300 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and everything is open. But what's actually really unique is the kitchen. It's huge and comes standard with 2 islands, one for prep and one for serving, and you still have enough space for a breakfast nook in there too. The owner suite is spacious and feels even bigger with the elevated ceiling. You have dual walk-in closets before you enter the bathroom, and the master bath itself is the size of a bedroom with separate vanities, a walk-in shower and tub. And pricing will start at about $490 for this model and go up to the mid-500s for their larger 4 and 5 bedroom homes. But if you're looking for something that'll be ready sooner and don't want to wait a year to build, they do have some homes for sale that are already under construction. So if you want more information about those and you want to see more of their homes, you should reach out to me directly. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Vero Beach and the Treasure Coast has to offer. And as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area and want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.